What the fuck is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You can call me Alyssa Renee, because that's my motherfucking name.
My name is Trent, bitch.
Thanks for asking. Gang. Hey, drop shit. Tryna watch the news after some shit had to drop. We just ain't spin this block yet. Could've been smacked. We been out ya all summer. They not out ya. Niggas just rapping. Well, fuck it. Wait till winter. In December, we gon' get right.
As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a mukbang, a Wingstop mukbang. I just actually got back to work with my Wingstop. Hold on. Just in case I want to use a I said use a mukbang. I mean, just in case I want to have a fun. But I got a 15-piece habanero chicken wings. And crazy enough, for the last 2 years, I've been eating no meat. And my family knows that I don't eat any meat. So if they come across this video, I eat meat again, y'all. So that's crazy how they didn't give me no napkins. I got the 15-piece habanero, mango habanero. Ooh, they hot. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Okay, I don't want my wings to fall, but okay. Just in case I want to get a different mukbang. A thumbnail. So that's crazy. Like I said, how they didn't give me no napkins, but I didn't really think these was gonna be hot. So yeah, I ordered them while I'm at work because I'm like, you know, they're not gonna be that hot. They got mango in it, but I got me something to drink just in case they is hot because I'm not gonna sit here and play myself. I got a couple napkins in my glove box. So I'm gonna eat these. Y'all finna watch me. I'm finna watch my TV. And then we finna get it cracking. Come on, don't act dumb. So honestly, I was finna watch my show, but is that rude? So maybe I should talk to y'all and tell y'all how they taste. That's crazy how these shits was fucking $25. Them do got a little bit of a kick to them. I just tasted the sauce. I guess since earlier, like, I'm not gonna have this on me. I talked to my husband earlier. He did transfer to the county jail from prison, because I don't know if I said this in my last video, but this shit's hot. They should have gave me a fork. He going to court. I feel like I'm blowing my fingers off for him. So he finna go back to court. These shits is good though. They got a little kick to them, but they good. Oh yeah, I did tell y'all in my last video because I said I'm praying on a Christmas miracle. My bad. I got distracted because I'm hearing the message in my ear. But outside of that, nothing too exciting is going on in my life. I was supposed to be going to court tomorrow with him, but fuck I look like driving on a donut 2 hours away. Not finna catch me on the side of the road. I think the fuck not. My bad. If I'm chewing with my mouth open. These shit is good as fuck. I don't know why I'm eating these like I'm at the crib, knowing I'm on a 30-minute lunch break. Yeah, I need to, yeah, I'm still on my first one. That shit was good. I wonder, like, if my coworker can see me out the window, if they like, what the fuck is this bitch doing? Having a time of my life. It just make me feel weird because it's like, I know they can see me. No matter how dark these tents is, with this light on, I know they could for sure see me. I could sit here and make excuses like, I'm doing this for y'all. But I decided to make this video, so I'm doing this for me. How do y'all eat y'all chicken wings? Everybody eat theirs different. Do y'all eat them like more than this? Okay, if that's nothing, do y'all eat them more than this? Yeah, see, I don't really like that. Or do y'all eat them less? But I was finna get the atomic wings. And I had to really think, like, what do you think you is? Wow. And just like that. There's some power in here. Let y'all hear me eating. Where's that? ASMR. The flats is my favorite, but that's why I'm trying to save them. Eat these drums first. What's your favorite chicken wing? I've been trying so hard not to go here because I'm like, I don't want to spend damn near $30 for some chicken wings. I just have to break down and do it. Did I already say this? The whole reason why I even started eating meat again anyway is because I thought it would help me lose weight if I went keto. And I know you can get a lot of protein like through meat. But I'm pretty sure these chicken wings and this ranch and keto. That was hot. So lately I've been watching a whole lot of People's Court and shit like that. For a while, it's like I always find my way back to People's Court, but so I was watching People's Court first, obviously. Seeing Judge Mathis and shit. A little Judge Judy. I don't really like Judge Judy. I feel like she's mean as hell. But then I started watching Fatal Attraction, which I was really into for a while. I think it's crazy as fuck how somebody could really kill the person that they say they love. I tell my husband all the time, like, please don't kill me. If you don't want me no more, just leave. Like, honestly, you can just ask. Like, It's like, I mean, it's like I say, you can just ask, but it's like, nigga, what the fuck? Like, you signed your life away to me when you married me. Like, it's not no just walk away. But then it's like, after a while, it's like you can't keep somebody that don't want to be kept. So let them go. I don't know. It's like you never know what you'll really do until you do it or it happens to you. But yeah. So I like that. Honestly, after this though, I really need to start my diet back up because the weight is just really getting out of control. Like, I just can't. It's like, even when I be editing my videos, and my head turn a certain way. Damn, I feel like I be hearing noises and shit. And my head turn a certain way. I'm like, damn, your neck really fat. Your chin really look like a double chin. And, you know, I'm all about self-love, all that, whatever, but that's not how I see myself. With a double chin and shit. So I really need to get on my shit, but I've probably been gone for 30 minutes. I'm not even really sure what time I left. It's like 9, but I'm gonna head back in there so I can help my co-workers. Damn. Almost dropped him. I'm not gonna lie. These bitches was a hit. So if you didn't know, mango habanero is not even really hot for real, But if you like my mama who think pepper is hot when you heat it up, they may be. But my dumb ass didn't even put the lid on, like close the just shut up. Alright, so a little palette cleanser. Damn, I never failed. I need to get me like a little apron or something. But anyway, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.
In the trench, bitch.